Scared.
Unlock ba yan?
Lotus Survival. This is flight time, Rob. This is the last game before bed. Jay. I'm going somewhere. Yeah! Let me collect your page.
Hindi pwede maglabas ng kahit anumang informasyon na nakuha nila ng sumabago. Pero Justice Committee Chair Representative Jeremy
I didn't saw you, Brody.
ilabas kundi ang AMLAC report.
Ang nilireport ko ng AMLAC.
I can't see you because you're too skinny, Bones. Yes.
And suspicious transactions aligned
Yes.
to the mandate of the Anti-Money Laundering Act. Ang
Finally.
and bank records in government.
Now I feel safe.
With the dumps of
Exempted rin
You
daw ang
can't get
impeachment
me.
proceedings. Kaya wala silang nilabag na batas.
It's morning.
Ang pagkasama ng ay pag-amin na mayroong
Okay,
kahinahinang
I might
bilyong
smoke
pisong
this
halaga ng bank transactions na inireport ng AMLAC sa
I
impeachment hearing.
might
Ang
speak
ng
too
Abogado
soon.
ni Carpio.
Ayaw pa yung PC ka kasi.
Thank you, good boys.
6 billion ba yun? O 3 billion? Ibibigay times na. Itatapon ni
Ayaw pa ba kasi?
Ito ay sinasama sa impeachment proceedings. Kayong
Yeah.
pribadong individual naman ito. Si Atty. Carpio, hindi naman siya politiko.
Dang,
Kailangan
bro.
pang usasahin ng tax returns niya.
I'm ain't going near you, bro. I'm ain't.
It's a fishing expedition.
But he is married to the vice president. They're probably communal in nature. So there should be a reason to look into the properties of both spouses.
Kino-question naman nila Joe.
Just move the damn car.
Ang committee naman ang
Just walk.
How can
Just walk, man.
when ang nag-action
You don't have legs.
sa Sabina, hindi naman pinabilang
You got a car there.
representante kundi
Got a mini house.
justice.
sila po yung
A mini house here, you know?
Di ba sila yung nag-motion, sila yung
Dang, we got like cabins or something.
Sa pila.
Dang.
Sa pila.
This is VR.
So yun po yung
We
kaso
got
namin.
prom boys, and we got med kids, you know?
Sabi naman ng Bangko Sentral na sasagutin ng BSP Governor ang reklamo ni Carpio sa tamang forum kapag nakakuha na sila ng kopya nito. Pero
Okay.
hindi nila ginagawa lang nila.
The news, sorry guys, the news.
Ayon sa batas at due process. Sabi ng
Hawak mo
Kampo ni
ang beat,
Carpio,
hawak mo ang gabi sa bawat sayaw mo.
report sa impeachment hearing ng
Hawak
sumunod
mo ang
sila sa
beat, wag mo
April
bibigsawan
16.
habang sa
Pagpapalabas
gabi.
sa Penal Justice Committee pero walang nangyari. Kinuna namin ang
Skibidi-doo.
pahayag ng AMLAC pero wala pa silang tugon. Samantala sabi ni Attorney Peter Gadao,
Fufu and
pinasura
my
ng Korte sa
poo-poo.
Quezon City ang hearing nilang PRO o temporary
Come on, you took all the meat. I might just get some lace.
ni Carpio. Pero inapila na nila yan para subukan pa rin
Moe.
bigyan ng posibilidad na ilabas sa selyadong kahon ang ITR ni Carpio sa Miyerkules. Sa kabila ng reklamo sa ilang kongresista, tuloy ang ikatlong impeachment hearing sa Miyerkules.
just-
At doon, posible na raw pagbotohan ng
You just wasted the TV, bro.
May probable cause ba o wala ang impeachment complaint
wasted
na
the
kay
TV.
Vice President Sara Duterte. Jonathan Andala, nakatutok 24
How do you even fit in the TV, man? Yes, he keeps saying, I'm hungry, so you just eat the TV. Just eat the TV, bro. Why you gotta eat people? Probably should
This is nakakadrill. Tuloy na tuloy na ang pagbibitahang
Yeah,
kuryente
the
sa
Lotus
City
is
Sena
kind of
Patricia
fast.
Yabano at Hit Cornales. Makakasama rin nila ang kapwa ex-housemates.
Find my pages.
2.0 na sina Marco Masa at Clifford.
Bro is
Sa
not.
seryeng entitled You Are My
Swandy
Favorite
man.
Song na handog ng GMA Public Affairs. Dream come true ang project na ito para kay
Hello?
Caprice.
Slendy Tabis? Oh, this is not Slendy Tabis, little bro.
So, yung acting challenge po namin, doon nangyari na po at nagiging show pa po namin.
At
Better not shape into actual lotus.
Pagdating sa music.
Super
Lotus, oh my gosh.
my passion music sa isa sa mga shows naman magagawa ko po.
We gotta
Kaya,
zoom.
I'm really excited po na mapapakita ko yung skills ko.
We gotta zoom.
And sa maybe sa instruments.
And we gotta broom.
I'm really happy po.
Pero syempre, bukod sa maka-entertain ng mga manonood, goals
I haven't
din
seen
nila
somebody
ang
who wants to
maka-inspire ng
do or
kabataan sa
somebody's
kanilang
hungry.
For this show, I want to make it light.
My
I want
energy
to make it
drink.
makaka-relate to Gen Z and, to bring,
Turns night, I'm actually not leaving. I'm not actually gonna leave a single
Sa
microwave.
showbiz happenings.
It's just
At abangan, huli ka ang driver ng truck na nakahinto sa
But
Mel
it's
Lopez
also
Boulevard sa
chill.
Maynila. Tinalon at sinaksak.
yeah, that thing's not chill anymore. That thing is not chill anymore. That thing is not chill
Dahil sa
anymore.
unay katiwalian sa isang Halloween project.
Oh, let me go.
24 hours.
Wait, where do you got to okay, you got flashlight on. That's what I thought. Yeah, are you scared of light, huh? Scared of light, real bro? How are you? How are you, giraffe? Hell no. Lotusy? Hello, Letus? Where are you, Letus? Hamud Habibi! Habibi Hamud! Hamud Habibi!
Goldie Mark maging the best. Kaya araw-araw umilo ng Nescafe Classic 100%.
Yay! No, yo! Hello, Lisa. Let's go.
Hair and a tooth trumpet child. Try new Pantene Vibrant Hair Treatment with Pro Vitamin
I'm
Pearl.
following you, little bro. You might not get scaled.
Easily. A miracle? It's Pantene. Huwag kang magpalinis. Nagkulang pa ako sa usod. Pagdilaw na kaya.
Give me back my pinky.
Meron mga panilaw sa live.
Give me my little stuffy stuff.
Akili. Ang puti. Ay, please, naman sa panilaw.
Anong brand ng gatas ang trusted ng moms?
Fairbrand, trusted by 8 out of 10 moms. Tulong mo matibay ang brain.
Lucky big boobs. I heard something in the woods. Oh my gosh, I heard something. I'm gonna go It's going back to the van and I'm just gonna sleep. La 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 la, I don't care. I just got a better flashlight, I guess.
Nescafe Sugar Free. Huwag na magpihil sa Nescafe Sugar Free.
This is more trash.
Ang sabang-sabang kape without sugar. Pwede na mag-coffee anytime you like. Try it now. Pagtoyo
Why am I hearing crab sounds?
sa mga Tita's Oyster Sauce, may 3 times oyster up.
Bro, why am I hearing metal?
Ay, huwag rin Oh, it's so sarap. Buo ang 3 times oyster up. Mama Tita's
Oh. Oh, it's just music. Okay.
Ha? Oh.
One for the jar. Jar. What jar? One for the box? Where?
No one's immune to hair.
Bro!
My hair gets its daily dose of provitamins from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 and biotin to help build hair quality.
Bro, I thought you don't hunt in the morning, dude. We're chill, little bro.
Nescafe coffee, gonna smooth the
Bro, where are you going? Doesn't like your hair is messy, little bro. Yeah, I don't like your hairstyle, little bro. It's like a curly vibes, you know? Your hair is so curly, man. Okay, come on, man. Come on.